The e-commerce brands winning in 2026 aren't doing more. They're doing this. A lot of e-commerce brands think growth comes from doing more ads, more emails, more content, more offers. But that's a bit like trying to fix a bad recipe by adding more ingredients. Because for a lot of brands, the issue isn't effort. It's that too many parts of the business are working in isolation. And somewhere in the middle of all of that, the customer is trying to work out what this brand actually is, why this product matters, and why they should trust it. So brands respond the only way they know how, by doing more. More campaigns, more creative, more spend, but more doesn't fix confusion, it just scales it. And that's why some brands stay busy without really building momentum. The brands winning in 2026 are doing something different. They're making sure that everything connects, from the ad to the landing page, to the product story, to the email. Because when the journey feels clear, people buy with more confidence. And when that happens, growth gets easier. Not because the brand got louder, but because the customer got clearer. Clearer on what the product is, clearer on why it matters, clearer on why they should buy from you instead of somebody else. That's what the best e-commerce brands are doing differently. Not more aligned. This is stronger because it has an actual progression.